Hey everyone, this is Sandeep Kaur Rahal, and today I am going to teach a metrics method for improving your calculation speed. In any competitive exam, whether it's SSC or banking, your calculation speed needs to be very good. And for this, here is the method that is known as the metrics method. But some conditions are to be applied. That is, you have to practice it on daily basis. It won't take much time. It will hardly take 5 to 10 minutes a day, but by practicing it daily you can improve your calculation speed uh, at a very good level. Your calculation become very good. Here is the 4 by 4 matrix. If you go to the basics of the matrix, then these are known as rows, these are columns, and this box is known as the cell. Okay, I will take some values and will teach you the method how to use this matrix to improve your calculation. Here I will take the values such as 9, then 11, then 17, and here 19. Here I will take 13, 15, 17, and 23. In the first step, you have to multiply these two values, 9, that is 9 and 13, and put the answer in this box. Here it is 117. Next, by 13 and 11, and the answer will be put here, that is 143. Next, by 13 and 17, it will be 221, and 13 and 19, you will get 247. Similarly, you have to multiply 15 by 9 and the answer will be put in this box. Here is 135. Actually, I have done it already, so I'm just teaching you the method. Otherwise, if you do these calculations manually, then it will take some time. Here, when you multiply 15 by 11, then it is 165. 15 by 17, it is 255. Then 285, 153, 207, 187, 253, 289, 391, 323, and 437. So firstly you have to multiply the first digit of this column with the first digit of this row and put the value here. Then this by this multiplication, you will have to put the value here. Then 13 by 17 value here, 13 by 19 here. Okay. Similarly, when you multiply 15 by 19, put the value in first box of this second row. Then here, when you multiply the value of 15 and 11, when you multiply 15 by 17, put the value here, 15 and 19 here, and similarly you have to fill the whole matrix. Next step is you have to add the values row wise as well as column wise. When you add the values of first row, here the answer will be 728, then second it will be 840, then it will be 952, then 1288. I will remind you again that I have already done these calculations, so I am doing it as fast because we have to save the time. If you do it manually, then this will take time. Next, we have to add the values column wise. Here it is 612, then 742, 8, then 1156, then 1296. These are the values, this and this. The third step, you have to add these values, that is the values which you got by adding the row wise. You have to add these values and the answer will be 3808. Similarly, when you add the values which you got by adding the column wise values of these columns, then you will get the answer 3808. Here you will notice that both the values are same. That is, by adding them by row wise as well as by adding them column wise, you will get the same values, that is 3808 here and 3808 here, it means you are doing the correct calculation. And if there is some discrepancy, that is some difference between these two values, then it means there is some miscalculation. Either you have done some mistake in multiplying the values or adding the values. Here, if you try in the first day, it will surely take time, but by improving, by doing it regularly in a week or in a 15 days, you will improve your calculation tremendously. And here I have taken by the 4x4 matrix, that is 4 rows and 4 columns, but you can practice it by doing by taking 5x5 matrix. Okay, and but in the beginning I will suggest you to take only 4x4 matrix. That's all. Thank you everyone.